Think runway glam, everyday prices, ready to upgrade your wardrobe and life? Hey, I'm Sarah, your shortcut to effortless luxury. Every week we unpack looks you'll actually wear. Evening glam, morning minimalism, weekend casuals, power outing fits that turn heads. Here's what you'll get when you hit subscribe. Trend predictions 2026, trend predictions 2027, runway secrets revealed, street style spins you'll wear next season. We break it down, know what to invest in and what to skip. High-end silhouettes explained, affordable alternatives that keep the look, not the sticker shock. Curated outfit formulas, smart shopping tips, brand finds that feel expensive but won't eat your savings. Tech and beauty? We've got that too. Latest beauty devices, skincare tools, fashion tech that simplifies your routine. Hands-on reviews tell what's worth the hype. This channel is for women who want sophistication and sense, bold style, smart choices, a little bit of sparkle.